Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Gio back again with another video. So today what we got to do for the WRX, right? This lovely machine right here. What we got to do is we have to change the fuel pump in the car. Right now it has an AEM 340 liter per hour fuel pump, which was relatively cheap. I got it about, I want to say like it's been like 3 years already. But the car threw a code this morning for a misfire, and I've already changed spark plugs. I've already checked for boost leaks and stuff like that. So what I'm thinking is it could be the low pressure fuel pump, because I have been having an issue where the AFR while cruising decides to go and run lean and then go back to normal. So I'm thinking it's a low pressure fuel pump. So that's what we're going to go ahead and work on today. I've already gone through the process of taking out the rear seat. Honestly, it's very easy. All you got to do when the seat's on, you just lift this up and pull out. And it'll take the seats out from the car. And you do it on both sides. And then when you get to this point, you can see I have the access cover for the gas tank. You want to make sure you know where your gas tank is. On these cars, it's going to be on the right side, because obviously that's kind of where you put your fuel. So it kind of makes sense. And it's held in by these 4 screws right here. Let's see, these 4 screws right here, and you just need a Phillips. I've done this already. So again, I've done this already, and I know how to do the process, but I'm still going to show you guys how to do it, especially if it's your first time doing it. Some things, because they've already been done, you're probably not going to see or know how to do it the same. And there are videos that I used when I first did this, like Subi Speed, for instance, and that actually helped me a lot. So that way I knew what I needed to do in terms of being able to get the fuel pump. So I'll go ahead and put that down below in the description, so that way you guys can go ahead and follow that for the parts that I can't cover. But yeah. So yeah, I went to my local parts dealer today. I got this DW 340 liter per hour fuel pump. It's the 300C. It comes with the kit, so that way it's plug and play. I got that from Nippon Power. I'll also go ahead and leave a link down in the description below as well for their website, so that way you guys can go ahead and reach out to them if you ever have any parts that you need to get. They're local to Miami. I live in like Broward County area, so I just drive down there, go pick it up, and then go back home. But today we're at Josh's house again, and Ivan is upstairs working, and I think Josh is asleep, so I'm going to be by myself today, which is perfectly fine, because as I said, I know how to do it, and I'm going to take you guys along for the ride so you guys can see how the process is. So first things first, as I told you guys already, you want to go ahead and take off those 4 screws that are holding in this cover. Then you go ahead, take the cover back, and boom, now you can see everything. So before we go ahead and continue, what we want to make sure we do from this part is we want to make sure that we take out the fuse for the fuel pressure. Well, for the fuel pump itself. So you want to go ahead and pop your hood. I hope you know where your hood latch is. And we're going to go ahead and pop the hood. So as I was saying, you want to make sure you locate your fuse box, and the fuse box is going to be right here. So we want to go ahead and take off the fuse box. You have these 2 points right here that you want to press in. After you do that, you can actually use...
Damn, I know that boy got Toto because he got a haircut.
Josh, look, the people finally know you're awake, dog. I'm sorry that you didn't know that I was here. I told him that I wasn't trying to wake you up, bro. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to look at this map. This map tells you how exactly you can find the fuel pump relay. And as you can see right here, it's going to be the first one. So it's going to be 15A. So 15 amp fuel pump. And we're gonna go ahead and take that out. I'm gonna take this, and it's gonna be this one right here, the first one. Take it out, put that there, and then now you're gonna go ahead and, so then next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start the car, let it run until it dies, so that way fuel pressure drops to 0, and then we should be fine. So fuel pressure is now at 0. I'm gonna go ahead and start the process of getting everything taken out, so that way you guys can see what it looks like outside of the car.
Oh no, dog, cause you look up to
They can't see you. You too dark.
You gotta fucking look at you, dog. Look at you. Oh, boy. Oh, my dog. I got some thought this week. Sheesh.
No. Anyway, bro. How's it coming with the FC, bruh?
More bullshit. It's hot.
Alright, so. Alright. Man, bro. That's better. Should I disconnect the battery? Nah.
Pop that shit off. Hey, did you, no.
I did. I actually did. Funny enough. I even showed the people, but it still held 21 psi fuel pressure.
Yeah, you just gotta let it ride until it.
No, yeah, it
itself.
wouldn't go down anymore. This is a sock. You need this sock. The sock is gonna fold up like this. You just connect the dots, honestly. As I said, I'm gonna put a link down in the description below with all of the videos that I referenced when I first did this, so that way you guys can use that as a reference point as well if you want a more in-depth damn, bro, this shit don't want more in-depth.
Did you line up the hole with the hole?
I did.
No, he broke it.
I did. It's not coming off now. What I might do is I might actually just lubricate this side.
How you ain't put the lube?
This one. You are a wild boy, you know that?
Who?
You.
What you mean? How you not gonna lube it up? Just straight up raw dogged it, bro. You could have ripped the seal.
You're always going dry.
Nah, dude. That's uncomfortable. You gotta force that sucker in.
This shit is mad comfortable. All I know is I'm gonna laugh while I'm trying to freaking edit this video, dog.
Like, what the hell?
Yep, literally.
Yo, did you go to the Super Sunday thing?
I didn't, because nobody wanted to go.
I ain't see nothing.
Hmm?
I ain't see nothing.
What am I gonna say, bro? I can't believe y'all don't want to go with me. Like, the fuck?
Now, what? The little rotary heads were out there.
Yeah, I know. They accepted all makes and models.
It's dumb. How you gonna call it Super Sundays?
Because the Supra's got VIP parking at Toyota.
Still though. Supra is a Supra.
Yeah, bro, I saw one on the way here. Or in a red one.
It's a Supra.
Alright, so this go this. Cargo. Brr. Put it in the hole. Push it down.
Damn, dog, come on.
Hmm?
There it is.
What?
I swear that's too much over it.
You think it's too much? No, bro, I think it's fine. Alright, so now I literally just gotta put it in the basket. Granted, I gotta put the
left
wiring
side.
and shit back on here, but you know. But I'm gonna show you guys in a second here what my old one looked like.
It just looked like junk. And faded.
Junk and faded.
And slow.
And slow. All the hurtful words this one keeps adding.
Power of the slow boys.
What are you talking
The power of slow boys. AEM. What you mean? I'll talk smack. Look at that. Slow boy material. If you want to be slow, go AEM.
You out here dissing AEM like you ain't got an AEM AFR gauge in your car.
Where? I got fuel tech, baby. Ain't no more. Ain't no more AEM. Alright. Here's my thing about AEM.
Go ahead.
The fuel pump, at least for VA chassis and WRX chassis, they suck.
Okay.
Alright? Their ECUs, they kind of suck.
And why is there a bunch of people who got Supras running?
Because they're stuck in the past. And there's a whole new wave.
Of what? Fuel tech?
No. ECUs.
Are you sure it's ECUs or it's just...
It's ECUs. How often does AEM upgrade their ECUs compared to Howtech, Fueltech, Abdoptronic, Motec?
You're asking the wrong one, bro. I don't have the standalone things. You have standalone things.
That's why you need to sell the WRX and get a Supra. Come on. You even got a haircut for it, so that means you agree.
I didn't get a haircut. What is wrong with you? This is supposed to go this way. Yes, this goes here. This goes here. That. Oops, this is on this guy. Oh. This is why people hate working on the fuel.
This is why I should just put the dumble pumper that you got in it and call it a day.
The bullshit. This shit don't want to go down. Hey, you see that?
Something, too much springs, too much.
You think it's too many O-rings?
Hell yeah. So what we doing?
What you mean what we doing?
Are you taking it out or you putting it back in?
Putting the pump in.
You think this gonna make it go fast or?
Make it go fast or make it go the same speed?
Ricky Bobby.
We'll see. I'm gonna put E in the car today.
He not selling this shit.
We will see. I'm supposed to come here on Saturday, bro. And fucking put the car back to stock.
You know who not gonna be here Saturday?
You?
This guy.
You serious? Damn, bro, that's crazy.
This guy.
That's crazy, dog.
I'm out.
That's fine. Where you gonna go?
To Connecticut. And then after Connecticut, I'm gonna go to Texas. I'm gonna do a mini world tour.
If I'm not mistaken, it goes this and this. Bro,
What is it?
is the fucking return and is the fucking lines. Bro, that shit's annoying.
That's why you should have just done the double pumper, you know?
Well, they retain these.
What?
The fucking double pump.
It retains what?
It retains these.
Word?
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
You can take these off. Well, so you can take these off and you can reuse the quick connects on it.
So I ain't just put that in there.
Why didn't I just put what in there?
If it's that easy, why ain't just do that?
It's not that easy. You still gotta make fuel lines, bro.
Why you gotta make fuel lines? If you could reuse those.
Why do you not have to make fuel lines? You gotta use -8, bro.
For what? If you can use those.
Regulator, bro.
But if you can use those, why
Just
you need to do
this
the
piece
-8?
here, you can only use that. It has the same style. They changed the way it is because before you had to use AN fittings for it to go on.
Bro, why does it smell like gas all the way into the freaking garage?
Because your boy leaked gas everywhere.
You're such a liar. This man I took out the fucking. I took that shit out.
Listen to this lie.
The container.
Listen to this lie.
This man is like, oh, bro, go ahead, just dump it on the floor. Okay. Dump it on the floor.
Listen to this lie.
This shit was still holding fuel in it after I dumped it out. So when I took it apart in there, it started spreading on the table.
Number one wee woo guy.
Why are you lying? They know you told me this. This guy said the number one wee woo guy.
Number one wee woo guy. He still ain't
he
put
wants
this
to go
in.
to Treadstone, bro.
Yeah, he lives there, bro.
Yeah, so we're gonna go after this shit is done.
Gomo? Yo, you trying to sit in that traffic? You're bugging.
Bugging? What traffic?
But what you mean with traffic?
What traffic?
Boy.
You the one that said you wanted to go.
You know it's gonna take Gio 6 hours to put that hanger back in there.
You're right.
Bro, relax.
It's gonna take him 20 minutes to figure out.
It's already 2 o'clock.
You are so. That's so cap, dog.
It is 2 o'clock.
It is 2 o'clock.
You're fucking lying. It's 2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock. It's 1:51.
Bro, where has my day gone?
Here.
No. No.
Mama clean a car faster than you work on it, bro.
Round 3.
Fight. So I know you guys didn't get to see a lot. The last part that you guys saw was me just trying to put the basket back inside of the fuel tank. But I was able to get it in. I was able to put everything back together. So as you can see there, I got the backpack sitting there. Everything's back together. I'm gonna go ahead and prime the fuel pump now. And I'll definitely check in with you guys later so that way I can tell you guys whether or not I'm still experiencing the issue. So this might be a multi-day video. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But I'm definitely gonna let you guys know. Even if the car cools, I'll record the cold start so that way you guys can also see that as well. But I'll check in with you guys later, all right?